Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. It's Pun Art time, and today we're going to be drawing a pickle playing pickleball. So let's get started. To draw this silly pickle, let's first start by drawing the headband. So I'm going to start right here with a curve. And go up, just a soft curve, about this wide. And then I'm going to come to the sides right here and just round it off, and then come down, and then round it off again. Same thing over here, just round off the tip to round it off and then just connect it. Just like the top. Nothing fancy, just a simple headband. There. And then when you color it in, you can just put in a stripe or whatever pattern you want on the headband. So now that we have that, I'm going to come to the top, just come in a little bit on both sides, and then just draw a curve for the top of the pickle's head. The side of the Sharpie is not working very well today. Okay, so now that I have that, I'm going to come to the top in the center, about right here, and just draw a little stem to make it extra cute. And then let's go ahead and draw our pickle shape. So we're going to come in about right here and here. So let's go down. I'm just going to create this very simple pickle shape, but this is just meant to inspire you. Have fun with this. You can draw your pickle however you like. Shorter, taller, fatter, more curves. It's all up to you. Just bring this down. I'm going to pop it out a little bit right here. Make it a little bit rounder here. And connect. It's a nice juicy pickle. There. Okay, so now that I have this, let's go ahead and bring it to life. So about in this area right here, I'm going to go ahead and just draw a circle for my Draw So Cute eyes. And then I'm going to come across and same thing, say about right here, and draw another circle. And now my circle's in, let's make them Draw So Cute eyes with two small circles inside for highlights, and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. There. So I have the eyes in. I'm going to come to above the eyes and just draw a soft curve over each eye. And then, of course, let's give this pickle a very big, happy smile and cap it off. There. And then, let's see here. Let's have it holding a paddle, of course. So let's say about in this area, about right here, we're going to draw out some arms. So very simple arms. Just draw a curve coming out. And thicken it up. And then let's see here, we're going to draw a paddle, so coming at this angle, so about right here, I'm going to go ahead and draw a line coming through to create the handle, and then just creating this rectangle here, this rectangular shape, come down. And before I finish that, I'm going to come right here and just draw this oval for the hand of the pickle holding the handle, and then continue down and connect there. And then to draw our paddle, let's go ahead and just remember it's at this angle, so definitely turn your body or the paper if you need to. Just going to draw these two angles right there, and then round it off, and then we're going to go straight up. Same thing over here. Easier for my hand. Come down. And then round it off once again for the top. And go across. And down. There. I think this side's a little too sharp. Okay. It's the simplest shape is the hardest thing to draw, right? Because I'm drawing at an angle. Okay, so now that I have that in, just make sure I round this part off. I'm just going to come in here and just put in some lines so that we know this is the handle. And maybe just put a nice heart right here in the center as a design for our paddle to make this my Draw So Cute Pickle, playing pickleball. And then let's go ahead on the other side, right about here. And once again, we're just going to draw a curve, thicken it up, just like the other side. And then right about here, we're going to curve again, and then just thicken it up for this little hand. And then in this hand, we're going to put a circle. Try my best here to draw a circle in this hand. There. So then from there, we're going to have to put some holes in it so it looks like a pickleball, right? So I'm just going to start with maybe these 2 circles in the center and then to the sides. And then on the edges right here, we're just going to draw some ovals all the way around. If this is too complicated, you can just put in some circles in the center to fill up the space. It doesn't really matter. We all know it's a pickleball, right? Okay, there. Okay, so now that we have that, of course, we need to come down and draw some legs. So find your center of your pickle. So about right there, approximate. We're going to go to the left, go to the right, and then I'm just going to draw an angle line down, just totally simplifying the legs here. And then just draw these feet. Just bring it out. And same thing here. There. And that is pretty much it. Oh, almost forgot. Just here and there, maybe just so it looks more like a pickle. Just pop out these little bumps. Maybe just 3. And then of course when you're coloring it, just use like a darker green to draw in some of these lines to give it that cucumber look for the texture. But that is pretty much it for my drawing here of this pickle playing pickleball. Thanks so much for watching, and I really hope I helped you draw this cute pickle fun and easy today. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.